We'll guide you through how to add a printer on a Mac. You can do this whether the printer is wireless or wired. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. When you go and do this then means you can go and print off your Mac. So at the moment, if I go and open up something I want to go and print, for example, I've got this document here. I'll go to the top left and press File, go down and press Print. I'll go to the top right where I can choose the destination, and my printer's not showing there. That is my wrong printer, it's my old one. So to go and get started with this, first of all, you need to go and start by connecting your printer if it's wired. So grab its cable and plug it into your Mac. If it's wireless, then what you need to do is make sure you're connected to the same wireless network as the printer is connected and set up on. It's likely in your house, or potentially you can have different networks. I know in some houses they do. If it's a big house, there's different networks in parts of the house. So make sure you're connected to the same network as the printer is set up on. Next, what you need to do is you need to go and open up the settings on your Mac. So you can go down to the bottom and find System Settings. So you can go and check the network and Wi-Fi, of course. Now what you need to do is go and scroll on the left here to the bottom. And there you should go and find the option for printers and scanners, which you can then go and tap. So you can go and see this is the printer I already have. It's offline, I don't use this anymore. So what we need to do is go and press the Add Printer, Scanner or Fax button like so, and then you'll go and get this pop-up. As you can see, here it is. So potentially the printer should go and pop up here. If it doesn't though, what you can do at the top here is go and press on this world icon. So here you can go and enter in the host name or IP address. You should be able to go and get this on the printer screen. And then what you can do is go and type it in here. And with it typed in, then what you can do is you can go and press add in the bottom right. As I said, you'll need to go and get this on the printer and it will go and vary. So you have to find that in the network settings on the printer. Alternatively, you've got this option at the top here as well. But in this case, we can actually see it over to the left here with this option. So you can then go and select the printer you want to do this with, and you can go and give it a name. For example, you could add in home or work if you've got different printers in different places. And then what you can do is you can go and press add like so. Now what it's going to do is go and set this up because it may need to go and get specific drivers. So the process does vary in length. As you can see there, mine was really quick, but often it will go and take a little bit longer. So I've now gone and successfully added it. As you can see, we can then go and click on it and you can go and see some information here about it. And you can open up the scanner here if needed as well, which is really useful. So you can also go and see the queue here. Now, just to go and show you that it's working, what we can do is we can go and press done here. And I'll go back to where I was trying to go and print this document from. So we can then go to the top left and we can go and find the option for file, go down and we can go and find print. Then if I look in the top right for destination, if it's still not showing there, don't worry, you can go and press see more. And as you can see, there it is there. So I can then go and select it and now I can go and print to it. So it's that simple. If you're finding you're unable to add the printer or it's not showing up in this list here, then first of all, do just make sure that it's definitely turned on. And what you also want to make sure that it is connected to a network if it's wireless. You may need to go and reconnect it, and in some cases as well, there's a button on the printer where you can go and enable the wireless mode. Even though it's set up, you need to go and enable it, and when you go and press that button, it then allows you to go and connect to it, and it'll make it show up here. If you're finding the printer is showing up here, and when you press add, you get some type of error, then what I'd say is worth doing is simply turning the printer off, and then go and turn it back on. Disconnect the power supply as well, just for a minute or two to make sure it fully shuts down, and then try connecting again. And it's also worth trying to restart your Mac as well. So you can press the Apple icon in the top left, then you can go down and press restart. Then when it comes back on, hopefully then you'll be able to go and connect and you'll be able to go and print to it. So that's it. If you found this useful and you've managed to successfully add your printer, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got lots more guys like this on the channel and more to come. So I really appreciate you watching this and I look forward to helping you with your next tech problem. But as I said, there are loads more on the channel already.